Good morning everyone, my name is Vaidehi God. I am studying 9th standard KV school. Now I am going to explain C language. Developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 by, at Bell's Labs, known as the mother of all programming languages, provides with high level and low level programming features. What is a C language? C is a high-level general-purpose programming language. It is the first affordable and widely used for system programming, operating systems, and application. Why do we use in C language? Foundation of programming, build strong basis, portable, runs runs on different computer with little change, efficient and fast, close to assembly language, control over hardware with printers, memory, reusable, modular through functions and libraries, used in operating systems, compliance, embedded systems. Thank you.